Thermostat placement near windows or doors can seriously mess with your heating and air conditioning system's performance, like making your energy bills skyrocket without you even realizing it. So, here's the lowdown. When your thermostat is right next to a window or door, it's constantly getting hit by outside air that's way hotter or colder than your inside temps. That throws off the thermostat's reading, making your system work harder than it needs to, which wastes energy and wears out your equipment faster. To keep things running smooth, put your thermostat on an inside wall where it won't catch direct sunlight or drafts. Also, avoid spots near vents or ceiling fans because the airflow can trick the thermostat into thinking the room is warmer or cooler than it really is. If you gotta place it near a window or door, at least shield it with curtains or use a thermostat with remote sensors so it can get a more accurate read from different parts of your home. Regularly check for any drafts around doors and windows too, since sealing those up helps your thermostat get a better sense of your actual indoor temperature. Trust me, small changes here save you big bucks and keep your house comfy. One of the biggest thermostat placement mistakes is putting it too close to heat sources like windows that get direct sunlight, which makes your system kick on when it shouldn't. Fix that by choosing a shaded wall indoors. Another common issue is placing thermostats near doors where cold drafts confuse the temperature reading. Sealing gaps and picking an interior wall helps here. Lastly, many folks ignore the effect of airflow from vents or fans on their thermostat. Moving the thermostat away from these, or using models with multiple sensors, can stop false triggers and keep your HVAC running efficiently. BigHomeProjects.com is all about hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to optimize your home's heating and cooling systems. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you find solid jobs from homeowners who need your skills, making it easier to grow your business without all the hassle.